Welcome to Calvert, a small town in Robertson County, Texas, where history meets charm at every turn. This quaint and historic town is bursting with character, from its charming architecture to its delightful boutiques, restaurants, and antique stores. Calvert, Texas is also home to the Calvert Independent School District, which recently underwent a playground project that faced unexpected challenges, leaving it incomplete. When our company heard about this situation from journalist Donnie Tuggle's KBTX news story, we knew that we had to step in and help.
I cried after the call. I seriously cried because there were people that were telling me there's no way that anyone's going to do this for you. There's no way that anyone's going to donate this much money. There's no way that anyone's going to donate this much time to put this playground together.
Our dedicated team sprang into action, working tirelessly to ensure that the playground was installed and ready for the children of the Calvert Independent School District to enjoy.
When he made the call and he said that the company, the CEO, was just willing to, put forth all of the effort and the money to get it done, I mean, it was just a weight off of my back. I was just in tears.
At playgroundequipment.com, we believe in the power of play and the importance of creating spaces where kids can be active, socialize, and let their imaginations run wild. We recognize that a playground like this would be invaluable to the local community.
It means a whole lot to the community. It means much, much more to the kids.
The joy on the kids' faces as they played on the newly completed playground was truly heartwarming. It reaffirmed our commitment to making a positive impact on the communities we serve, and we are so grateful to have been able to bring a happy ending to this story.
This is definitely a miracle. Someone said that it couldn't be done, and now you see the end results that it can be done.